Hi everyone, this is Vivek Dwivedi, 4th year integrated MSc in chemistry at NISA. In this video, I am going to tell you the expected cutoff marks for various ISERs which you can get through IIT 2021 exam. Now, before telling you the cutoff, let me show you the survey results and the graph which we have. So about 178 people responded and participated in the survey, and here is the graph you can see. As you can see, few people have marks around 150 and 160. A significant number of people have marks between 120 and 130. Then a lot of people have around 107 marks. Then a significant number of people have marks around 100 marks and 95 marks, and maximum people have marks between 72 to 84 marks. So this is the distribution of marks. Then the number again starts declining to 60, around 61 marks, then 50 marks, and like that it decreases. So as you can see from this chart, a lot of people fall in range between 70 to 80 marks. And yes, there are significant number of people who are around 110, 120, 130, and some very few people around 140, 150. Now, that is one thing I wanted to share with you. The next thing I want to share with you is what are the factors affecting the cutoff marks for any exam. So there are three factors which affect the cutoff marks of IIT 2021. First is the difficulty level of the paper as compared to the previous year papers. Second is number of seats available. And number three, how many students appeared for the exam. So number one, what was the overall difficulty level of IIT 2021 as compared to previous year papers? So what we have found out, yes, a lot of people were telling it was easy, a lot of people were telling it was tough, and many were telling it was almost same. What we are concluding is that it was on tough side because of mathematics. Mathematics was tough, and it was on easier side because of the physics, which was really easy this time. So overall, if we conclude, the difficulty level was around IIT 2020 exam. Therefore, because of this factor, cutoff is most likely to be same. Now, number two is number of seats available. So since the SCB channel, through SCB channel, the percentage of seats is increased from 50% to 75%. Okay, so the number of seats is now more through SCB channel. Therefore, cutoff is likely to decrease. Factor number three is how many students registered or appeared for the exam. So it was expected to be around 50,000 students to be registering, but what we see through the roll number of various people, that around 40,000 people appeared or registered for the exam. It might be possible that even less number of people appeared for the exam, which will again help in decreasing the cutoff marks. But as we know that every year the competition increases a bit, so I will assume that yes, overall the cutoff should remain same as it was in 2020. Now, for the reference, let us take the example of a student we have who got about 88 marks last year, and his preference was Pune, then Kolkata, then Mohali, then Bhopal, then TVM, then Tirupati, and finally the Berhampur. So this was his preference order. In first two rounds of the counseling with 88 marks, he did not get any of the seats. Okay, in first two rounds. So don't panic if you are also not getting. In third round, he was getting Mohali, and by the last round, he was getting IISER Kolkata. So just imagine what is the scenario. So here is our expectation for various category wise cutoff marks for various ISERs this year. It is based on the students, our interaction with various students, and information available on internet from credible sources. So let me tell you what can be the possible cutoff marks. Now please note that in initial round, even the students with about 90 marks may not get selection or seat at ISERs. But do not worry about it, just continue the counseling process, because by the end of the counseling, as you saw with that student, even at 88 marks, he was getting IISER Kolkata. So do not worry if you do not get a seat in initial rounds of the counseling, because at later rounds of the counseling, it will happen that a lot of students will get top IISERs even at lower marks. Now let me tell you our expectations of the cutoff for various categories for various IISERs. But right now, first you hit that like and subscribe button. It does not help me a lot if you do not subscribe. I see a lot of people not subscribing it, just watching the video. I really don't like this personally, and because I'm working so hard, so I think I really deserve it. And yes, please like, share and subscribe this video. It is what going to motivate me to make more of such videos. Now here is the list of various cutoff marks for various categories which you can check, and yeah, you can pause your screen and check for what category what is the marks you will be getting. For example, general, here is the list. For EWS, for OBC, for SC and for ST, and on the vertical side you have various IISERs, IISER Pune, Kolkata, Mohali, Bhopal, Tiruvananthapuram, Tirupati and Berhampur. So here is the table for it. So you can pause the video and check it or take the screenshot of this video. So with that, thank you very much. I hope this video was useful to you. Please like and share, because that is what going to motivate me to make more of such videos. And with that, all the best. See you at IISERs. Bye bye.